Teacher Lorie again. Are you ready to read more? Great! For today's reading lesson, we will read on family. Are you ready to name the pictures? Great! Say bun. Say fun. Next, none. Run. And last, sun. Your turn. Name the picture that you will see on the screen. Okay, next. How about this? How about this? And last. Very good. Blending time. Let's blend sounds together to make word. First word, bun. B. Un. Say bun. Next word, fun. Un. Say fun. Next word, none. N. On. None. Run. Say r. Un. Say run. Last word, sun. S. Un. Say sun. Let's practice using our flip book. B. On. Can you read the word? Good. On. Say the word. Great. Fun. N. On. Can you read again? None. R. On. Tell me the word. Run. And last, s. Un. Read the word, kids. Last part, I want you to read again on words. First word. Next. How about this? Wow. How about this one? Great. And last word. Wow. Very good. Here's my parrot cheer for you. You did a good job. You did a good job. Bye-bye.